Morning, my dear students. Today we will discuss about the objective questions in molecular basis of inheritance. What is the first question? The number of base pairs in each turn of DNA helix is. What are the given options? Option A 1, option B 10, option C 30, option D 6. So the number of base pairs in each turn of DNA helix is 10 base pairs. Option B is the correct answer. Okay. The next question is the central dogma in molecular biology. The central dogma in molecular biology was proposed by. What are the given options? Option A Watson, option B Wilkins, option C Crick, and option D Franklin. So, central dogma. What is central dogma in molecular biology? The flow of genetic information from DNA to RNA, RNA to protein. Okay, so central dogma means the flow of genetic information from DNA to RNA, RNA to protein. That was proposed by Crick, Francis Crick. So, what are the given options? Option Watson, B. Wilkins, C. Crick, D. Franklin. Option C is the correct answer. Okay, the next question is the best depiction of the central dogma of molecular biology. The best depiction of the central dogma of molecular biology. What are the options given? Option A, that replication DNA involved in replication as well as the transcription process. In transcription process, the synthesis of RNA from DNA is known as transcription, or the copying of genetic information from DNA to RNA is known as transcription. So here the genetic information is flows from DNA to RNA. That process is known as transcription. Later, the RNA is involved in a translation process. Okay, so in a translation process, mRNA is involved in synthesis of proteins. So option A, transcription, DNA gives rise to mRNA as a result of transcription. Later mRNA is involved in translation process to form proteins. Option B, given option B, DNA is involved in transcription process to form mRNA. Later mRNA is involved in synthesis of proteins as a result of transcription. The given option is B. What about the C? Transcription, DNA is involved in the transcription process to form mRNA. Later mRNA is involved in transcription process to form protein. The given option D is RNA reverse transcription. RNA is involved in reverse transcription to form DNA to protein. So among these options, which one is the correct answer? So in central dogma of molecular biology is the flow of genetic information from DNA to RNA in transcription process, whereas in translation to form proteins. So option A is the correct answer. Okay, is it clear?